AMIWASI, together for sustainable tourism. Benefits of tourism in the community. Tourism is an economical development opportunity that can become an additional source of revenues for your area. The touristic activity should include the community and allow the conservation and the improvement of its members' quality of life. How to include the community. You can suggest activities that the villagers themselves can offer. Offer them jobs with fair and equal conditions and give them proper training. Choose local providers for materials, food, and construction services. It's also important that you teach the management of money so that these additional revenues can be used for investing, protection, and training projects. Apart from the economic empowerment, inclusive and responsible tourism will contribute to the reduction of poverty, the appreciation of ancestral knowledge, and strengthening of local pride. Do you want to learn more about the benefits of tourism? Download the complimentary documentation on Village Mond's website, where you will find more examples and tools relevant to your touristic business. Start from today to change the world, one step at a time.